Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ajit Kumar. In this video, we will be going to discuss about the Terraform TF4. So in the previous video, we learned about how do we can write an input variable. Now we are going to discuss about the input variable, but we will be going to override the value with this terraform.tf value. So I will go ahead and create a folder file here with the name terraform.tf and whatever the configuration we have written here in the variable.tf file, it is going to means override with this terraform tf okay, whatever the value we are writing here in the tf it is going to use that one. So let's see, let enter the details and we'll going to see with the plan. So first of all, I will go ahead and write here for the resource group. Okay, and first write here for the resource group, and here I will write here the name prod arch database. Okay, I will write here the different name. So here in the variable.tf I have written the prod rg. Okay, and here I'm writing here the prod database. So we'll see what it will be going to use my that value prod database only. Okay, and I will mention here for the network interface what I have written here for the network interface mynick. So I will go ahead and change the name prodnick, prod underscore nick. Okay, and for the virtual network what I have written here, the variable virtual network my VNet1. So here I will use the value prod VNet. Okay, and for the public IP what I have written here, this public IP public one. Here I will go ahead and run right here the prod underscore pub. Okay, and another thing I'm forgetting here to add the virtual network subnet and the interface. Virtual network. Okay, so okay, the subnet, and in the subnet I have written here subnet, I have written mynet my subnet 1, and here I will use the name prod subnet. Okay, and save this file. Let me go back to this terminal and we'll see if it is working fine or not. So let me go further for my project. Okay, and this is the file. Let me clear the screen. Let me run the terraform init command first. We'll see. So waiting for initialization to be completed. So it is gone. Let me run the terraform, validate, so that we should confirm our configuration dot all the files looks good and the configuration looks good. Let me run the terraform plan and see what are the messages, what are the resources is going to provision, and for if it is picking the detail from tfvar or not. So it was occurred due to my configuration. I have not put it there. Let me again run the Terraform plan. Let me clear the screen first and run the Terraform plan and see. So it should be pick the details from the tf-var file. So as you can see, let me validate that one. So I will go first here the VM nick, whatever nick we have mentioned here in this tf-var. So nick we have mentioned network interface prod nick. As you can see here, the name has taken from the tf-var file. Okay, and for this public IP, it is pick that prod pub. Okay, and also it is going to create a resource group. Inside that resource group, prod database. Okay, if you go back to the variable dot tf, and whatever here I mentioned, it is different. Okay, as you can see here, it is different. Since we have written here in the tf-var, it has override that variable.tf and take the all the details from Terraform tf-var. Okay, if you can match the name, also it is showing from there only prod database. Okay, so it is going to take the details whatever we are mentioning in the tf-var. It is going to take the detail from there only instead of tf variable.tf. Whatever the detail we have not mentioned here, it is going to take the detail from the variable.tf, like the location we have not written here. Okay, so here for the rg we have not written the location. That means here in the rg.tf we have written the location, but in the terraform.tf-var we have not written that location. So what it is going to take, it is going to take that location from this rg.tf, but the name whatever I have written here, the prod database, it is going to take that only. So as you know that, as you can see here, this is how we can override the value which is written in the variable.tf with tf vars. Okay, so hope this video is really helpful to you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.